Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry at Mad X Stitcher. We are now into July and it's time for another box opening for the Crochet Society. So I received this just at the very end of June, or the very beginning of July. It's only the 4th of July now. I think I got this a couple of days ago. But yeah, so let's get it open and see what we've got this month, shall we? I'm really intrigued to see, because everyone has been saying that they love it over on Facebook. So I know that the box has got palm leaves, or I can't remember what they're called. What are they called? I can't remember. Oh well. Anyway, here is this month's Crochet Society box. Have I got it upside down? I have got it upside down. There we go. So it's the Crochet Society box. This is June's box. Box 25? I think it's 25. I did check this morning. But I've forgotten already. So let's get it open. Oh, it's full of fluff. Life is better with yarn. I cannot agree more. Look at that box. This is like loads of stuffing in here. Right, let's get that out. Which means maybe we've got amigurumi again. And it's this little bundle in the middle. Oh, it's tightly packed, this one. Really tightly packed. Ooh. Hibiscus chunky. Let's try and open this properly. So we've got two. Well, they're a bit crinkled. It's like they've been in storage for a while. They're all kinky. So we've got two balls of hibiscus chunky. This one is called Bikini. I think I can see where this is going. I think it's more of a summer box. So we have Bikini. And then we have a pale pink, and this one is called Hawaii. That one's not as... It looks like they've been really tightly packed in something. There's quite a few bits in this box. I do like the colours though. I'm hoping that they're going to plump up if they get rinsed and the kinks will come out. I know that kinky yarn doesn't always go back. I mean, that one's got a proper dent in it. So we'll see. I can also see some pulls in this one. Oh, it's the end. That's fine. It's the end. So yeah, we've got those two. They are big balls of yarn. Both chunky as well, which is not necessarily what you'd get for the summer. So we'll see. We have a... Oh, I love the back of it. So it is a luggage tag for when we finally get to go on holiday again. This belongs to a crocheter. It does indeed. There's a flamingo. So my friend Emma loves flamingos, so actually that might go into her advent box for this year. Yeah, it might go to her, but I love that. That's cool. So we've also... Oh, that's a heavy box. Playing cards. Definitely, when you go on holiday, you need a pack of cards. And they all... Oh, it's a Monstera leaf. Monstera leaf is the print. Took me a while. Yeah, if you go on holiday, you need a pack of cards, playing cards. So they've got the Monstera print on the back, and then on the front. Oh, so they're like green and pink for the different suits instead of red and black. So that's quite cool. So for travelling, little travel deck there of cards. What is this one? This one's heavy as well. Am I going to be able to get it open with my nails? I don't often have nails. Oh! Oh, it's another set of glasses. There's our little scissors. Can I do it this time? Can I do it? There we go. Snip, snip. So again, travel, perfect for travelling. A little pair of glasses. I've still got the silver pair as well from a previous box, so that's quite sweet. We have, what are these? What are they? I think they might be safety eyes. In there. We have a hook which matches the colours of the box. It is sparkly! Sparkly! It glitters! That is a 6mm. It's quite a chunky, nice chunky hook, so that'll go straight into my jar. And as always, we get a stitch marker to match. Again, this is a Monstera leaf in the pink and green. There's quite a few bits in here. Ugh. What's this? Life is better with yarn. It's like this is like a washable. It's a waterproof package. A waterproof package. A waterproof zippy pouch. So you can take your yarn to the beach and not have to worry about getting it wet. It's got this big long handle on it, so you can hang it. Swing. So there's that one. Everything's going to end up in there. Oh my god! It's a flamingo! Oh, my friend is totally getting this for Christmas now. She's getting a flamingo. That's it. She's getting a flamingo. So we've got big chunky flamingos. So let's read the blurb, shall we? It says, whether you're able to get away for holidays this year or not, I wanted to make sure each and every one of you could get a little taste of sunshine. And that's what this box is all about. From the bright and happy yarn and fun makes the little extras I know you love, this month's box is all about letting your hair down and celebrating summer. So, oh, that's sweet. I like that. So we have 3 projects. As always, we have the flamingo. What is the name of the flamingo? Frederica the flamingo. So we're going to make that up. There is a pink peony cushion, and then there is another beanie bubble hat. So those are our 3 projects this month. We've got tea and chat with Sakiyo Ishii. I don't know if I've got that completely and utterly wrong. Apologies. I'm sure I've seen some of your stuff before. Oh, little Bagpuss. Bagpuss was in Crochet Now. So yay. Oh, she did the bauble from box 18, the little reindeer. That's really sweet. So we have Federico the flamingo, who's designed by Sakiyo Ishii, which blah, 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 blah. She is Knits by Sachi on Instagram. So I'm definitely going to head over there and check her work out. So the flamingo uses both colourways. I'm not sure there's going to be any yarn left over, but we shall see. We've then got a page with all of the bits and bobs from this box. You can see it is a jam-packed box of bits. Definitely summer vibes in this. Okay. So, as always, we get a page with the different alternatives for yarn. So we have Stylecraft Special Chunky. I've used that a few times. It's nice. There's Hayfield Baby Chunky. I've used the Hayfield Bonus Chunky, but not the Baby Chunky. Rico Essentials Mega Merino. King Cole Big Value Big. B-I-G in capital letters. Barocco Ultra Wool Chunky. And Shipyes Namaste in... Yeah, Shipyes Namaste. So there are some more alternatives there for the chunky yarn. I quite like this yarn. I do like working in chunky. So it's a bubble beanie, not bobble beanie. Bubble beanie by Brenda K.B. Anderson, which is craftsplosion.com. So that is the beanie for this month. So perfect to get ahead of your makes and make up a beanie ready for the winter. Yeah, crafty staycations. Check out the artwork. That's so cool. Totally summer vibes with those. So it's just got tips and tricks on having a staycation, with each animal having its own little bubble. And then we've got the pink peony cushion, which is by Jess Bennett, which is Rock Salt Plum on Instagram. So I think we all know what I'm going to end up making from this box. I'm so definitely making up the flamingo. My friend is having that for Christmas. And then I'll find some other yarn to do the cushion. I really like the cushion as well. So we have, as always, we have a page on other people's makes. So we have Benjamin the Bear. We have the rug from the same box. I can't remember what box it was. Just can't remember. So a couple of those. We've got the bucket and spade, which is from an older box. Buffy the butterfly, or the moth, and then we've also got a picture of the advent blanket. So someone's put little bobbles on the edge as a border, which is really, really cute. So that is some makes from people for this month. Basically, I think if you make anything from the box and you tag it, or tag Crochet Society or Bella Coco Crochet on Instagram, they pick their favourites each month basically and put them in the next booklet. Oh, that's pretty. That kind of reminds me of box 12. Very similar. Got like watercolour flowers on the next box. So it's similar to box 12, which had roses on the front. So it had a rose counter. A row counter in the shape of a flower, and it was in rose gold, and it is gorgeous. And I still haven't used it, and it's got little dials on either side, and it's just really nice. I am totally making up this flamingo. How could I not? I do have another flamingo pattern though. Might just make this one. I don't actually think this is going to go back in the box and stay in the box for very long. I think I'm going to end up making up the flamingo like tomorrow. I am back to back tomorrow though. So that is this month's box. It is totally bright. I'm not sure I agree with all the plastic that's currently in here, particularly with people being eco. I will have to read up and see if these are biodegradable or anything, or recycled. But we have a plastic wallet, and we have the plastic or rubber luggage tag. We've got some playing cards, we've got our hook, we've got our glasses, scissors, some I don't know what that is then. It's not, it can't be safety eyes if they're done with thread. Maybe they are. They are safety eyes. Okay. 2 big balls of yarn. I'm hoping they will plump up a bit. And we've got this massive amount of stuff in. I'm not sure that's enough stuff in though, to be fair. We'll see. I haven't used any of the other stuff in, and I do have a box of stuff in. So actually, it doesn't matter if there's enough in there or not, because I know I've got plenty more. So that is this month's box for the Crochet Society. As always, I'm not endorsed or affiliated. I just subscribe and like to share my reaction with you. So that is the next box, and I'll put all the details down below for you. As always, you can subscribe and get them delivered monthly to you, straight to your door, or if there are any extras left over at the end of the month, then they do sometimes put the extras up into the shop, which is on the website, so you can always head over there to get one if you're lucky enough to. Yeah, thanks for watching my reaction. Cannot get this grin off my face now because of that amazing flamingo. Yeah, can't stop talking about it. I'm gonna make the flamingo. See you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.